had another couch before from IKEA that was just a little bit smaller. So when we would sit down as a family, nobody else could sit down. That would be it. This one is just so much bigger that now somebody can sit over here, obviously you're here. There's still plenty of room over there.
They call me the Couch Whisperer. I help real people find real couches. Today's real people are Trisha and Craig. Trisha and Craig just did a full remodel of their house and it looks amazing. But they were kind of lost when it came to what kind of furniture to put in their living room. This is a living room that sees a lot of action. They have tons of people at their house all the time. They have 2 kids, a dog, and friends that end up at their house for parties and get-togethers and gatherings. So they needed a lot of seating space to replace their previous couch, which was a single sofa from IKEA. It was time for an upgrade, but they wanted to do it at an affordable price. So when they said, beautiful, durable sectional with seating for 8 or 9 people at a very affordable price, that won't break the bank, I had one brand in mind, and that's Bellamia Collections. Now, Bellamia Collections is a newer brand to the scene, but they have a ton of buzz. So I recommended it to them so that I personally could come and see it for myself for the first time. They just got it delivered. Let's go inside and check it out. Hello, it's the Couch Whisperer.
Hi!
Hey, what's up, guys?
How's it going? Good to see you.
How are you? Oh, good.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good.
My name's Alex. What's your name?
My name's Bo.
Let's go, Bo. Max, how are you? Wow, the color is super perfect. This is awesome.
We love it so much. It's amazing.
Wow.
It fits perfectly in the room.
So one of your biggest things was just like the size. Is it gonna be too much furniture for the space? But I think it works perfectly.
Perfectly.
It fills up the room.
It's because I think when you picture a couch, like sometimes you're like, oh, something's gonna jut out into the room. You don't realize that it only comes up like 30 inches or whatever, 20 something inches. So you still have a very open sort of floor plan.
It still helps make the room feel like a lot taller than it actually is because it's low to the ground. Exactly.
I mean, I could dunk a basketball. Let's sit on this couch.
Let's
I'm super excited.
Come on in.
First time sitting on a Bellamia Collections couch. Yeah, let's sit on both sides. I've heard a ton about this brand. They're getting like a lot of buzz. That's why I wanted to recommend them to you because one, selfishly, I wanted to see it in person and so far so good. Like the comfort is really nice. Tell me about what you guys think about the comfort. My opinion is it has some structure. It doesn't feel like you've sunken in like a cloud couch from Restoration Hardware. Like it has some structure to it, but I'm also feeling very loungy right now.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's really nice once your shoes are off, you can kind of kick yourself up here. We usually like lay over here and can watch the TV and we all kind of fit over here. We had another couch before from IKEA that was just a little bit smaller. So when we would sit down as a family, nobody else could sit down. That would be it. This one is just so much bigger that now somebody can sit over here, obviously you're here. There's still plenty of room over there. We've also talked about how great it is that the couch is modular so that we could possibly even move one of these sectionals over there if we wanted to kind of switch things around and move the ottoman around. The ottoman, we didn't even talk about that. That's great. It opens, we hide all of the pillows and blankets underneath there.
Why are you smiling so much? What are you really hiding in there, Craig?
I'm just excited.
You're just excited.
Just
you know what? I think
excited
we're gonna find out, right? Because Bo, let's see what's inside right now.
We've actually hidden our other child in there.
There's another one? Wow, look at that. So that's really cool. That's on like has like a little hydraulic thing, so easy to open.
Super easy to open.
Awesome. You got like 19 blankets and some mysterious items shoved under there that we shall not
We
reveal.
do, and actually this is what allows the dog to be on the couch.
Oh, okay.
So once we push that down, then we can put this out. Lovely color. Come on, Nova. Yeah, there you
Whoa!
go.
What a good puppy.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't blame you, Bo. I would want this dog next to me on the couch too. What a beauty. Sort of seeing in real time, one of the other challenges which was you really needed something that was durable. Now, it sounds like you had an IKEA couch. So many of us parents with younger kids, like we don't want to spend a ton of money on furniture, especially when they're little. These kids aren't little anymore, so they're a little bit more grown up, and it sounds like it was time for, you know, a more grown up sectional, for lack of a better term. But you still needed something that was durable, and these fabrics are fantastic. fantastic, extremely cleanable, extremely durable. But talk about the importance of that to you guys, and how messy are these children?
Oh my gosh, so messy. No one's allowed to eat on the couch anymore though, so that's helpful. And she's not supposed to, but it's really easy to clean. The dog hair, when she does come on, because we realize that she climbs on here at night because we find her dog hair, is super easy to clean up. It vacuums right off. The color is amazing. They had so many different options. There was like a beautiful forest green, there's like a lovely white, but this color is rich looking. That's
Yeah,
the word I'm
like
looking for.
elegant.
It's super elegant.
So Bellamia they own their own factory, so they're able to offer basically this high-end quality of materials, cushioning, fabric, frame, all this stuff for a lot less money. And you can see it literally in the prices. I think all of this furniture for the price you get it is probably one of the best deals.
And it was super easy to put together.
Alex, I know you're looking at me right now and you see rugged good looks. But the reality is, I'm the least mechanically inclined person on earth. And this couch was so easy to put together. It was ridiculous.
That's amazing.
The four of us did it in under an hour.
Probably means there were very few, if any, tools. Like, did you do any screwing on of anything, or was it just like
No.
pop, pop,
I
pop?
think we just slid things into place.
There's plenty of room on this couch for multiple people.
Multiple people, that's true. There's plenty of room on this couch in general. In fact, why don't we see how many people we could actually fit on this couch? Now, I know there's only 5 of us plus a dog, but if we keep moving around one at a time, we can see. So let's see how
Why don't
many.
you go lay over there, Mac?
Okay, who's next? That's 1. Dad, go. 2, Max, 3. Okay, interesting. I think you can get a little closer because I'm coming in. So here, we got 4 on one side here. You're all the way over there.
Yep, you can come on over this way. We
Okay,
can still fit.
that's 5. All right. Let's go. Good, you understand the instructions. 6, 7, Max, go. That's 8. It's a comfortable 9 plus a puppy.
Plus a puppy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the process of ordering it online. Have you ever ordered furniture online before?
No, and I was actually really worried about that, but it was super easy. Try all these different configurations. They have like so many amazing different colors. There's beautiful Kelly greens, tons of velvet, performance velvet, so it's nice and durable, easy to clean. There's a couple different options for the comfort of the couch, whether you want it a little bit more plushier or firmer. It was great. Storage ottoman, you can also make this bigger or smaller, depending on how many of these.
And the delivery process, did people bring it inside the house?
They came right to the front door. We asked them to put it in the garage because we were still under construction.
And I'm sure they were happy to do that.
They were happy to do that, and then we unpacked the boxes as a family and carried everything inside.
You guys are very social people. And you needed a social couch to follow suit and to support this, the lifestyle that you guys have here. So I don't know, are you gonna have a party soon? And will I maybe be invited? Because I know there's a birthday dinner tonight I kind of overheard, and
There's a
I don't
birthday
think we're on
dinner
the list.
tonight. There's another birthday dinner happening on the 27th. We're gonna host all the holidays from now on because we have the space to do it and the comfortable couch for everybody to sit on.
That's amazing.
Movie night, we can have sleepovers, slumber parties, all the friends can be here.
Yeah, fit 9 people. As long as the kids sleep sitting up, you could fit 9 kids sleeping. This is awesome. Thank you guys for having me. This is fantastic. I'm super happy with Blake.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.